Shunchalik quyoshim hozir sizlar bilan birga o'qishga ketishga tayyorlanamiz. Undan oldin men sizlarga bugun yomg'ir yog'ar ekan, qor yog'ar ekan. Oh my god. Hozir ko'rsataman. Snow to stop. Xullas hozir o'qishga ketishga tayyorlanamiz, lekin o'qishga ketishdan oldin o'qishim haqida aytib berishim kerak. Xullas o'zi bu yerga kollejga kirib, student viza olib kelganman. İngiliz tilini yaxshilash uchun Kanada haqida ko'proq ma'lumot olishim uchun language schoolda o'qishni davom ettirdim. Haligacha o'sha yerda o'qiyapman. Yaqin tugaydi. Mana shu oxirgi haftam. Yana bitta narsani aytib ketdim. Birdan vlogim kelib qoldi. Boshqa paytlari har doim men qanaqadir special day kutardim shu vlog olish uchun. Или hamma narsa ideal bo'lishga harakat qilardim. Lekin unda YouTube'da qarasam, shu videoda chiqyapti. Shuni oddiy videolar qo'yishyapti. No, har 2 kunda bir, или har kuni qo'yishyapti. Prям wow day. Men o'ylardim, men shunaqa video qo'ysam qiziq bo'lmaydi, lekin menga boshqalarning shunaqa videosi qiziq bo'ladi, ko'raman-da. Yetdim. Ну, давай, men ham olaman dedim-da. Bugun olaman. Yes. So, ketdik. I see you. Sochimni yaqin kesgan mayiz. Yangi so'zlar, dorilar, swatchka, zaryadka и powerbank. Men usulan juda yaxshi ko'raman, shuning uchun bitta taqsam katta bo'laman. Mana o'z videoni qayerda o'raman. Men bilan qo'yganman, qaranglar. So, ketdik. Mana ko'chalar ertalab.
La STM vous souhaite la bienvenue à bord.
Previous levels or smoking. I make them big so that you know it's happening. It's bigger. It's like that's me. When I was doing my teacher training, it was something that my instructor said, "Oh, you have to write it like this." But if I write I am.
Very good. But 19 hours.
So I don't understand what you're trying to say from here to here. Is anyone here wearing any makeup?
No.
Hello. No. So house. Refer to the physical as home as well. Like I can say, oh, after class, I'm going home. You didn't pass me. I don't pass anyone. You pass yourselves. Okay? Because you're going to study a lot. The thing that I don't have a Kahoot is
No, I'm shy.
Birinchi marta qor ko'rgan bo'ldim. Va ularda albatta qor yo'q.
Sam.
It's our last week.
The last is Sam.
O'shanga kelman. Havo juda ham sovuq. Burnimni qarayman, qizarib ketgan. So guys, shunaqa qilib bugungi vlogimiz shu joyda o'z nihoyasiga yetadi. Bilaman bugun unchalik qiziqarli nimadir bo'lgani yo'q, chunki o'qishda ertangi imtihonimizga tayyorlandik. Va hozir ham bugungi hollarim faqat shu imtihonga tayyorlanish. Shunaqa gaplar. Agar shu joygacha ko'rgan bo'lsanglar, thank you guys. Keyingi videolarda ko'rishguncha bye. See you.